Okay, good morning, everyone. It is December 15th, class number 10. We are in the double digits now for classes to do, and only 6 left. And one of them is actually the final test. So really only 5 classes left that we have to do. All right. Today, we don't have a big schedule, basically. Here are your textbook answers, and here is your textbook homework. We don't have a lot to do this week, but last week, remember, there's a bunch of assignments here. So these are the assignments from, these are the assignments from December 8th. And you had your, sorry, not here. You had your textbook answers as well then too. But you were also assigned the language lounge. That's due next week, okay? The reading quiz, that's due pretty much at the end of the semester. And this mid-semester survey, only 7 people have submitted their answers, and there are really only 2 questions. So take the survey. There are, at least 20 of you. So there are about 10 or 15 people that haven't done this yet. Please take the survey. Okay, there are only 2 questions. It's all you have to write. You don't have to send in your name, and you can give your answers in Japanese. Okay, so 3 assignments from last week: language lounge, reading quiz, and the survey. But this week, nothing too special. And last week, the last class of the month is next week. So that will be something that we have to do. And you have a few things there as well. Okay, so please make sure that you come for the last class of December. Otherwise, that's all you have to do this week. If you have any questions, please ask me an email, or you can stay behind in this class and ask me then. All righty. Thanks very much.